Hi guys, I just wanted to check in with you. I am working on my journal. I'm making pretty good progress, but while I was doing that, I wanted to, do some more ephemera that I could use in this journal possibly because, again, I've told you this before, when I do a journal more than once, I run out of stuff that I maybe only had one of or two of, and so I thought I'm going to make some other stuff that I can cut up and use in the store. Let's see, maybe if I lift this up, will that make a difference? Yeah, maybe. Let's, I'm just going to stick something under here. So, I've done the balloon tickets, and these ones are, I don't have my glasses on, so this might be a struggle. Just over four and a quarter. These ones, but I did them in a different size. These ones are a wee bit smaller. Oh, do it this way. I think these are 3.5. Well, these are 3 3/4, but this is a bigger one. This one is almost 5. And then I did little baby ones, which you know how I feel about miniature stuff, right? And then I added these ones. So there is like a tea coffee card, and then the birds. I really love the birds. I wanted to, how can I say this, a mix. Well, that's what it's called, vintage mixed ephemera. And I didn't want it exclusively for steampunk. I wanted to be able to use it in other things. So I did that, and then I did this. I really I love this guy. This is mustache going all the way around. I think that's so adorable. I think this is 4, almost 5. And this one's 3 3/4, so they're approximately the same size. So you get a sheet of that. You get a sheet of the science ones. So again, the 4, this one might be a bit smaller. 4 1/4 for this one. And the minis and the medium sized. Then there's this one. Now, I did include, okay, so this one, there is the pointing fingers, so if you've already got the free ones, you might not want this, but I put all these together so that you could print them on, like this is a 45-pound weight, which I find perfect for this kind of thing, journaling cards and things you want to add to a page. 60, yes, is great for postcards, but not so much, tuck spots and things. It's just a bit too thick, so I kind of collaged them all together. Same with this, like a lot of this is in different vintage stuff kits. The hats, the little file folder, the clock, the pocket watches, and this one, I'm pretty sure it's in a vintage kit, vintage stuff. And so are those, but they're all in different kits. So again, this I did for myself because I wanted to cut more things out of just specific things. So then I thought, oh, well, I'll add it as a bonus page. So this is actually the 7th page. And anyway, they are listed in the store, and I've got them both ways, as a printed and, excuse me, as a digital download. So you can go take a look, and I'll keep you hopefully updated as my progress goes with the journal I'm remaking. And yeah, I think it's probably going to take me longer than the week and a half I'd anticipated, just because, yeah, it's yeah, busy around the house is what I can say. I've got all kinds of people coming kind of all at the same time, so we're going to be kind of busy. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this weekend. It's a little drizzly here, but that's okay. I like fall, and I'm looking forward to cooler nights in the house. So talk to you soon. Bye.